All I'm doing right now is cutting off the leaves that have holes in them. Like this one broke, I'm gonna cut that one off and get as many as I want. So if I'm gonna make a big bucket of Comfrey fertilizer, then I'm gonna get a, nice big bucket full. And right now all I'm doing is harvesting. In a minute, I'm going to crush them. So they need to be crushed before you add the water. All you're gonna do is take your leaves and you're gonna wanna bruise them. So I'm just kind of rolling them up, bruising them really well, and then dumping them in here. I am using gloves because these leaves are very prickly. They actually irritate my skin. So I'm not usually a glove wearer, but for this I am. Okay, so you're gonna just put water in there until it's covered. You can make as much as you want. You're gonna wanna store it away from your house. This is back in no man's land of my yard, in the way back, because it will smell while it's decomposing. To make fertilizer, it really only takes about 6 weeks. I'm just gonna use the straining spoon, and I'm gonna take out any leaves that may be left. And I'm just gonna get those out. I'm gonna put these directly in my composter. It's very concentrated, so you're gonna dilute it like 10 parts water, 1 part comfrey, and then fertilize your plants.